Jeffrey Bactong. Pastor Jeffrey Bactong.
Yes.
Hindi nakalagay po dito if pastor or brother lang, but I will just assume na lahat ng nasa list, pastor or if brother yung na-call ko sa'yo, just don't be offended po. Okay lang po ba? Alright, next is Mr. Pat or Brother Pat Sioko. Then Brother Judy Nawal or Pastor Judy Nawal. Next is Pastor Rinaldo Kitakay. Please proceed na lang po yung mga na-mention na name kasi we have 200 delegates. So next is Pastor Hermes Akain, Pastor Regino Panes, Pastor Danny Agunat. Palakpakan naman po. Then Pastor Johnny Pacto. Hindi mo bakbak, di ka receive. Bakbak. Alright. Then Pastor Michael Cañete. Pastor Wilson Magbanwa. Pastor Danny Nabuhan. Pastor Elvis Bade or Babe. Pastor Lorenzo Tuhitong. Pastor Lorenzo Tuhitong. Then Charlie De Guzman. Pastor Charlie De Guzman. Pastor Joel Villano. Pastor John Sierra.
Thank you.
Pastor Bonifacio Pepito. Pastor Jimboy San. And his brother Pastor Renante San. Pastor Danny Gustillo. Pastor Ruben Pedres. Pastor Rolando Sahagon. Pastor Brother Adelia Dante Brenwell Day. Which is Pastor. Sister Ago Kelly Grace. Brother Antonil Alan James. Brother Alicante Ronjet. Brother Apolinar J. Brother Arconada Edison. Brother Arobo Alfredo. Brother Balabagno Nathaniel. Brother Baldilion Ray Anthony. Brother Banggat Michael. Brother Mangaliwan Joshua. Brother Bartolin Gilo. Sister Beltran Cristel Simoni. Brother Kaok Ruben. Brother Daa Philip. Brother Damali Henry. Brother Damoso Mark John. Sister Ducanes Charmaine. Brother Labargan John Denver. Sister Lae Julina. Brother Lantingan Arwel. Brother Libor Ivan Clark. Brother Lomonsod Raymart. Sister Lumangyaw George. Sister Lumangyaw Angela May. Sister Mandurable Aileen. Sister Masaglang Aya. Brother Mier Francis Robert. Brother Mitchell Josiah. Brother Moato Nico. Sister Mohado Dea J. Brother Moranos Lan Christian. Sister Navarro Queenie. Brother Pakyasan Jolax. Brother Palen GR. And Pastor Paul Palingkod. Ako po. And also Brother Japet Paibano. Then I'll just get my light later. Then is Brother Quirino Rixon. Pilarco Leoli. Paibano Japet. Brother Sir Bertoliano Vijorin. Brother Querido Rixon. Brother Querido Selvi. Sister Ravelo Norilin. Sister Shanos Cristel. Brother Sigmoyo Nino. Sister Sipocado Agnes. Sister Santa Ana Isaiah May. Sister Talibod Darili. Brother Tausa Rona. Brother Tiempo Paquito. Brother Villesana Janvitz. Brother Yanez Roy. Dr. Edgar Roman. Sir Gonzalo Emmanuel. Pastor Denesio Benji. Pastor Joel Serrato. Pastor Patricio Colinares. Pastor Roger Mabaya, Pastor Willie D. Givero, Pastor Rolly Belenario, Pastor Roberto Robo, Pastor Ronnie Galvez, Pastor Richard Tumangco, Pastor Heraclio Sobrio, Pastor Josue Nalaunan, Pastor Resti Casa, Pastor Leonardo Tico, Pastor Vic Celedio, Pastor Joseph Calibay, Pastor Andrew Estrada, Pastor Rickmar Sarmiento, Pastor Levenson Balsalan, Pastor Jaime Wangli, Pastor Rodolfo Rodi Capuyan Sr., Pastor Democrito Chavez, Pastor Jobert Demetrio, Pastor Joseph Frido Lolong Condinato, Pastor Gregorio Villarino, Pastor Daniel Porras Jr., Pastor Danny Bansil, Pastor Henry Mota Jr., Pastor Dante Bayaco, Pastor Jeffrey Guillermo, Pastor Robert Narciso, Pastor Orniz Santillan, Pastor Alex Paliero. So again, just to clarify it, sa lahat po ng absent or wala dito, you cannot claim for them. Right? Aaron Bernito. Again, bawal po mag-sub. So kung wala siya diri, isa na mention yung name, wala na. Hindi siya makakilig. Pastor Jerry Guillermo, Pastor Robert Narciso, Pastor Ornes Santillan, Alex Palero, Pastor Boyles Platon, Pastor Noel Diomon, Pastor Rica Moricham Ginawat, Pastor Hernani Rivera, Pastor Ben Balabagno, Pastor Ivan Brato, Pastor Remuel Ibuon, Pastor Dornilio Masaglang, Pastor Jen Ligarda, Pastor Doronio Mambanya, Pastor Gervin Lagoy, Pastor Joffrey Nietes. Then Pastor R.D. Maguta, Pastor Antonio Brusco, Pastor Antonio Lee,
Thank you, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Yes, ma'am.
Pastor Nelson Tareche,
Yes, ma'am.
Pastor
Thank you.
Eric Alsara, Pastor Ronald Labarento, Pastor Dionisio Cagut, Pastor Rinaldo Bangkaya, Pastor Randy Arceo, Pastor Gibson Moico, Pastor Brother Randy Organo, Brother Stephen Pacificar, or Pastor Stephen Pacificar, Pastor Soy Boy Galo, Pastor James Kansi, Pastor John Roy Labina, Pastor Ernesto Cebuja, Pastor Jeffrey Jordan, Pastor Batch Tahat, Pastor Zacarias Nicole, Pastor Ronnie Galvez, Pastor John Ray Gitakay, Pastor Alex Calayon, Pastor Ryan Gonzaga, Pastor Larry Satohito, Pastor Giovanni Andresio, Pastor Bernie Tenesio, Pastor Gilmar Gintalian, Pastor Brother Carl Barry, Pastor Lilboy Maraya, Pastor Ivy Teka, Pastor Alexis Ostraya, Pastor Ronelo Saladar, Pastor Romulo Hernal, Pastor Serenio Tila, Pastor Soteno Mamada, Pastor Carlito Piadoche, Pastor Ermi Kaan, Pastor Limasa Samuel, Pastor Robert Bayati, Pastor Rosalito Antimano, Pastor Brando Montenegro, Pastor Emel Fernando, Pastor Leoncito S. Asunta Jr., Pastor Marlon Tagha, Brother AJ Paibano, Brother Limbao Nelix, Brando, Pastor Elmer Fernando, Brother AJ Paibano, Brother Limbao Nelix, Brother Warren J., Brother Bustos Francis Jeff, Sister Tapangan Shirley, Brother Lutang Alvin, Brother Lutano Paul, Brother Mangaliwan J., Brother Ronel Marcilia, Brother Donelo Oliverio, Pastor Antonio Vitalian, Pastor Danilo Bongano, Pastor Ricardo Enseñales, Pastor Cañete Miguel, or Brother Cañete Miguel, Pastor Panes Henry, Pastor Fernando Luceno, Pastor Pudencio Esteban, Pastor Ramboy Canoja, Pastor Giovenes or Giovenes Canote, Pastor Kim 7 Guardiano, Kim 7 Guardiano, Pastor Gregorio M. Pukita, Pastor Sammy Eres, Pastor Charlie E. Monos, Pastor Dante Remito, Pastor Anumar Santa Ana, Brother Pastor Quebec Philip, Pastor Chris Bade, Pastor Jomar Lotilla, Pastor Lino Lobiano, Pastor Maribek Hinimero, Pastor Roland Gumalyawe, Pastor Emilio de Asis, Pastor Rogelio Rahamuna, Pastor Zaldi Lindo, Pastor Allen Risula, Pastor Leo Handugan, Pastor John Rosimilia, Pastor Joshua's Sunput, Pastor Joshua Sunput,
Uy!
Pastor Jojo Manginay, Pastor Arnold Regla, Pastor Joseph Dinaya, Pastor Dr. Jimmy Walker, Pastor
Yeah.
Erling Santilla.
That's our reward.
May hindi ko ba